and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. On 3rd August 2024, the third day of the Shaping Tomorrow Communication Conference, the participants were given a special visit to the Dicastery for Communication of the Holy See. 2 afternoon sessions were held, one at the Vatican Press Office and another at the Vatican Radio. The participants were divided into 2 language groups, with the English group receiving a session led by Dr. Natasha Govekar, the director of the newly constituted Theological Pastoral Department in the Dicastery for Communications. She spoke about the functioning of the Vatican Press Office and the initiatives of the Dicastery for Communications. The first meeting of the lay people with governance roles at provincial level in the Divine Savior province of Central America took place from 31st July to 2nd of August with great enthusiasm and a profound sense of mission. The event was held at the Verbete Retreat Center in Guatemala under the motto, "With Don Bosco, United in Mission, Growing in Vision," and brought together more than 40 participants from Panama, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, El Salvador and Guatemala. The gathering was led and accompanied by the CAM Provincial Council, led by Father Julio Navarro Provincial, together with Father Rene Santos, Gabriel Romero and Edward De La O. A compelling testimony on the communication of the 3 most recent pontificates, John Paul II, Benedict XVI and Francis, rounded off the morning of the 5th day of the World Communication Conference, Shaping Tomorrow. The speaker was Vaticanist Valentina Alarzaki, who has been closely following the Pope since 1978. Alarzaki highlighted the great media openings of Pope John Paul II from his first greeting on the day of his election to the free display of his physical decline through the countless public gestures he made that were perfectly newsworthy for the media. In response to the devastating landslide in Wayanad, Don Bosco College Sultan Bathery, with the support of Breeds Bangalore, has been actively involved in relief efforts. To date, essential supplies worth 13 lakhs have been distributed to various camps. 7 students and 4 teachers participated in the initial rescue operations. Over 100 students are currently volunteering in different camps, providing much needed assistance. Door-to-door trauma, counseling and psychological first aid has been carried out in collaboration with the District Legal Services Authority DLSA by 12 Master of Social Work MSW students. The Salesian Shillong province is mourning the loss of Reverend Father Mukt Kumar Turki SDB, rector of Savio Junerate Maulai, who passed away suddenly on August 4th. Father Turki, born on September 15, 1967, was ordained a priest on August 11, 1998. On the evening of his passing, a holy mass was held at Savio Junerate with many attending, including the Salesian Society, students and friends. On August 5th, Archbishop Victor Lingdo led a mass for Father Turki. Reverend Father John Zosiama, Provincial, praised his contributions to the Khasi Hills. Father Turki's body was interred at Lajumkra Cemetery later that day, following religious rites. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.